Gold and silver both have traded bullish and achieved 2001 and 2535 to 2540 zone. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the first update. Second update will be released before the US session. To watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now, look at gold here. Now, on the hourly charts, it traded outside Bollinger Bands, expanded the Bollinger Bands, getting the resistance here right now, giving lower highs, higher lows. Which means if it trades below 1994, or rather I will say 1992, you can sell there at 1992 and expect it to drop more. And how far it can go? 1985-80 now going to be the next strongest support. Yesterday I told you till 1970 do not consider this as bearish, and precisely it bounced. And also I told you specifically 1974-75 very strong support, precisely it bounced back from the 74 level. Now on the hourly charts it is also creating a good flag, so let it give a breakout and then only you should take a trade. Now see, the stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down a bit. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts almost double top there and trying to reverse here. If you look at the movement, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The support here is going to come at around 1992 level. So you can sell there at 1992, expect 1988, 84, 80 as the strongest support. Till 80 it has got very good support there. Be careful, be watchful till 1980. Now if you look at the movement there, see, now track the movement, you will find lower highs are seen so far, which means 2005, 2010 the next resistance zone, and it is trading in the box. I have told you yesterday also, it is trying to trade in this box. The highs of this box are at 2005, 2010 levels. On the downside, the support is little far below at 1970. See, the stochastic is overbought on the 2-hour charts. That is why it is trying to drop a bit. But look at MACD. This is crossed over at bottom, trading with divergence. It appears to flatten here. Let's see if it continues to converge from here. RSI almost comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. If you look at 3-hour, now if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see increasingly bullish channel support there here. And precisely once it draws below 1992, then 1988, 84 levels, very strong support. So same support levels as what we have mentioned in the earlier 2-hourly charts. Also look at this, the base is increasingly, you can see lower highs, higher lows. So wait for it, it is trying to trade in range. Stochastic is overbought certainly. MACD on the other side has crossover and is trading with divergence. It is still bullish here. RSI almost flat, and if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see similar observation, nothing different, lower highs, higher lows. Stochastic overbought. MACD has on the other side has crossed over. It is trading with little divergence. This is just 2 candles away, and it appears that this can bring slight bullishness. You can see this is the third crossover, and it is trying to look upward. So wait for it to diverge more, stay above 2002, further beyond 2005. Certainly 2010 is the next high, and beyond 2010 we are going to look at 2020 levels. The stock RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength. Now look at MACD 20, 50, 100. See, the moving averages have started to converge here. They were trading with divergence till now it started to converge. If you also look at the movement, see, movement was divergent from the 20 period moving average and now has traded below and trying to recover. Now look, interestingly, for the last 3 candles, higher lows are seen, and if you connect here, lower highs. So this is trying to consolidate in this zone. The highs of this channel are at 2010, 2020 levels, which is going to be certainly very strong resistance. So 2010 is the next strongest resistance on the upside. Now if you look at the daily charts here, on the daily chart, the candle started in green. It has formed a good wick already. Now trying to get a pullback. Yes, once it stays below 1992, you can expect a little drop. And then see, from 1992, the highs at around 2000, 2002 zone. From 1992, the lows can be at around 1982, 80 levels, very strong support, and then it can bounce back to the same levels because the day is big, the day is just started. There can be couple of swings which can be there, and hence we have to trade with caution. The stochastic flat, the MACD trading with divergence, trading bearish here, right now looking down. RSI is almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 1992 and buy at 2002 levels. In between these $10, do not take any trade. Below 1992 till 1980 and 1970, you have to remain extremely cautious, extremely vigilant. It can show you good swings, it can bounce back again, it can recover again, and hence you have to trade with the trailing stop loss. On the downside, 1988, 1984, 1980, the first support levels, very strong support till 1980, and below that probably it might try to hit 1974 and 70 levels, the next strongest support. On the upside, beyond 2002, directly it might try to hit 2010 levels, the next strongest resistance. Very strong resistance exists at 2010. Then 15 and 20 levels are going to be the prime stop. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should be part of my mentorship batch. 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Look at the hourly charts for silver here. There is a strong pullback. It was trading outside Bollinger Bands. There is a sharp red candle going to get the support at 2010. Very strong support at 2010 and 2005, 2505 and 2510 levels. Yes, once you see it trading below 2505, you can sell, but then $25 and staying below $25, just stay short further. We are going to look at 2490, 2480 levels. Now if you look at the movement there, see higher highs, and if you connect the dots, higher lows. So this is still trading in the channel. Wait for it to break past 2510 levels. Yes, you can sell at 2510 itself. The stochastic looking down, MACD is trying to converge. It traded enough bullish. And if you look at the RSI, this is also started to look down, trying to show little weakness. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade within this channel. There is a long tail in the previous candle. Wait for it to give a breakout below 2510. Certainly you can sell, but then 2505 and $25, these two levels needs to be taken in order to show a confirmed reversal. Below that, you can say 2490, 2480 levels are going to be there. Stochastic was overbought looking down. The MACD started to converge here. Right now it's still bullish. RSI has started to look down, trying to show little weakness. Look at 3-hour. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts here. A good strong reversal candle here. And wait for it to break down below 2510, sell there. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI trying to look downwards, trying to show slight bearishness. Now look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, the candle has suddenly reversed. It was trading bullish, and before the closer, just 15-20 minutes before the closer, now it has turned red. And it is trying to get more pullback on the downside, which is a bearish sign below 2510. Yes, there could be further bearishness, taking it till towards 2505, very strong support, and then $25 levels. If these two are taken, certainly we are going to see pullback in silver's prices. Now see silver's movement, lower highs, higher lows, trying to trade within this. We have to be cautious within this zone till 2480. Stochastic overbought looking down. On the other hand, MACD has just crossed over and trading with little divergence. RSI almost trading flat here. Now look at the daily. Now looking at the daily chart, see first of all, lower highs here, these are done. Higher lows, which means 2480, 2485 levels, still proving out to be a good support. Now look at last two candles, see higher highs, higher lows, trying to create this channel here. So 2480-90 zone is going to remain a very strong support for silver here. Yes, you can sell here at 2510. However, remain extremely vigilant and cautious till 2480 levels. Only bearishness in silver is below 2480. Stochastic flat. On the other hand, MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish. This is on the daily charts, and this crossover is happening at a higher levels, which means there could be stronger pullback. RSI very near to the overbought zone. Considering this, sell at 2510 and buy at 25 levels. So once you buy at 25, remember 2540 it needs to break, because beyond 2540 we are directly going to look at 2560 and 2580 levels. In fact, it can fly for $26 levels. So take your trades accordingly. On the upside, on the downside, be cautious till 2480. On the upside, be cautious for 2540. For this 60 cents, we have to remain cautious and vigilant. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now remember why learning is important, because see, learning gives you enough tools, techniques, and strategy which can help you in identifying profitable trades, and not only identifying profitable trades but also exiting profitable trades at the right time, be it in profit or in loss. Both ways, it is important. So just equip yourself with the tools and strategy. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. We will see where gold and silver reaches before our evening analysis and try to find out the behavior of gold and silver further. Do watch the next update. Join my free Telegram channel where you get the live updates of the market. The link is there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.